How to top up Amazon Pay wallet. Want to add money to your wallet? This guide shows you how you can top up your Amazon Pay wallet so you can add money to your balance. First, open the Amazon Shopping app and go to the main menu. Tap on Amazon Pay. To go to Amazon Pay dashboard, you'll see your current Amazon Pay balance and other options. On the Amazon Pay dashboard, you'll see a button that says Add Money. Tap on it to open in a new menu. You'll be able to enter this amount of money that you want to add to your wallet. You can add anywhere from 1 to 100,000 rupees at a time. Once you've entered the amount, you can select your preferred payment method, like a debit card, a credit card, or UPI. The money will be credited to your Amazon Pay wallet instantly. You can now use the balance to pay for your orders or to pay for other things. You now know how to top up your Amazon Pay wallet. Get ready to add money to your balance. Like and subscribe for more app tips.